how to change shipping option in TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you will be able to change or alter the shipping option for your different products. So you could either modify an existing product or you could do this when you're adding a new product. So for this one, let's show you the one for adding a new product, but the same process applies for modifying an already existing product. So over here right now, we're currently in our product additional over here, adding product. I'm going to add a random category for now so we can unlock that specific section of our settings. And there we go. And we're going to simply scroll down to the bottom and you will be able to see shipping over here. You will be able to see here delivery option. You can simply click on customize and you will be able to see the different shipping settings over here are options. So if there are other options for you guys, you can simply select the other options. But if it's only standard shipping, unfortunately, that is the only shipping available currently for your location and there is not much you could choose from. So that's basically it, guys. So simply save or submit for review whatever option you have chosen and it will be applied on the product. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.